welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to do a clean and decorate with me for fall and Halloween. This is a video that I watch a lot here on YouTube, and I got inspired this year to actually sit down and film how I decorate our house. So if you guys would like to see how I decorate our house for fall and Halloween, then just keep watching.
Okay, so I originally was going to do a voiceover with this video, but the more I was adding the music to it, the more I figured it would just be nice for you guys to just sit and watch just this super fun clean and decorate with me. So I decided no voiceover, but don't you worry, in the next couple of weeks I will have a fall home tour up. Just kind of showing you where everything is from, as well as the final product on if I added anything or if I kept everything the way that it is in this video. So just enjoy.
Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
And just like that, we are all decorated for fall and Halloween. The boys are in the kitchen eating some dinner. They've kind of been bounced around from the playroom to their bedroom to the playroom to the bedroom. And then I played with them for a little bit while I took a break from all of this craziness. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps us out. And if you aren't already, please click the subscribe button. We would love to have you join our tribe, as I'd like to call it. And don't forget to leave a comment about your favorite part of fall down in the comment section below. And I, again, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in our next one. Bye, guys.